Kacchi Kairi Chaat recipe. Raw mango, spicy tangy. Chaat ingredients. Kacchi Kairi / raw mango, 2 medium. Onion, 1 small finely chopped. Tomato, 1 small finely chopped. Cucumber, 1/2 cup chopped. Green chili, 1 finely chopped. Fresh coriander, 2 tablespoons. Mint leaves, 1 tablespoon. Roasted cumin powder, 1/2 teaspoon. Chaat masala, 1 teaspoon. Black salt, 1/2 teaspoon. Red chili powder, 1/2 teaspoon. Sugar or jaggery powder, 1 to 2 teaspoons. Lemon juice, 1 teaspoon. Sev or crushed papdi for topping. Step 1. Prepare the kairi. Wash raw mangoes properly. Peel them and cut into small cubes or thin slices. Step 2. Add vegetables. In a mixing bowl, add chopped kairi, onion, tomato, cucumber, green chili, coriander, and mint leaves. Step 3. Add spices. Add roasted cumin powder, chaat masala, black salt, red chili powder, and sugar or jaggery powder. Step 4. Mix well. Add lemon juice and mix everything properly so the spices coat the mango pieces nicely. Step 5. Rest for 5 minutes. Keep it aside for 5 minutes. This helps the kairi release its tangy flavor. Step 6. Add crunch. Just before serving, add sav or crushed papdi on top. Step 7. Serve fresh and enjoy the spicy, tangy, crunchy summer chaat.